Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanna show you the easiest way how to fix your flat tire on Xiaomi m365 or m365 Pro. So this is the new tire and this is the new inner tire. So as you can see, I removed this black piece that usually covers this hole. So that thing is not so important, but when you change your tire, it usually takes a lot of time and it's really hard. So the best way for me, at least, is this. This is called slime. When you order it, it comes in almost half a liter, 463 milliliters. So as you can see, it's green. The best way to use it is to shake it good before use. And I have had a flat tire, and I have used 25% of 463 milliliters, so almost half a liter. So using half a liter, it can get you, I think, 4 tires, so that's a good thing. So you need to use 25% of this. I use 25% for inner tire front and inner tire back. So how are you going to apply it? So you need to shake it. Then you unscrew the cap. On the screwing cap you have this plastic piece from the inner side that comes. So you need to use your, when it's on your m365 Pro, you need to use this inlet and put it like this and put it inside of your tube. You need to put this correct thing into here. So you need to unscrew it using in left side. So I'm screwing in left side to get this valve out. So this valve, it's a thing that keeps your air in a tube. So as you can see, I unscrew this, and this is the ordinary valve for the m365 Pro or one that we have here. So you need to close it. You need to mix it good because it has a lot of thin plastic inside. Then you need to unscrew it, put this plastic tube on it like this. Then you need to put your tire like this. Then you are going to just squeeze in it around 25% to 30%. It's good. So that's the best way. Squeeze it inside, then close the valve, turning clockwise, and then start pumping, so it will seal any holes that are inside the inner tire. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and push a like button. Thank you very much.